term.
Looking for hunting. Look at the hyena behind. 2 hyenas behind.
Yes. 2 hyenas behind.
Yeah.
So are they leaving because the folks are they running away from the hyenas?
We go after.
They go up and
Yeah.
the hyenas go away from the wild.
They want to that guy, but they do that, but this world does not get stolen also. Now, you might get sometimes the leftovers of the bones, yeah. They love meat. Look at the eye.
Yeah.
I think you got that one eye, yeah? The other one is blind. The left one.
Is that what's the camera or can't see?
Wow.
Oh, it's a baby one.
Yeah. You didn't see the baby?
That's the biggest. I got one. Okay.
Okay. Scott, you're the giraffe man.
You got good eyesight.
Charlie was just behind the tree from me. Oh, it's 2 of them. I didn't even see the other. This particular one is much darker brown than all the other ones.
Yeah,
Been orange.
he's an older male.
He's older.
And the difference between the male, you can look at the horns. The horns are called ossicons. The one with the male one's got it's got spikes, and the female one's got hair on top of it.
Oh, hair. So that's a female.
Yeah.
No, it's
This is a male.
Oh, it's a male.
Yeah. Look at the top of the horns. It's got spikes on it. And the female one's got hair.
Or look between his legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. They about to cross the road.
Third one is still back here. About to make the showing.
closer.
Oh, heard him. Stop backing up. Don't back up anymore. Oh, go forward.
Don't worry. I want to put in the car.
There.
It's good, yeah?
Good.
Good, very good. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at
Wow,
least.
that's great.
And
See, now is they're on their shelter now.
yeah,
The house that they have on the tree. So these are our plain zebra, we can call them the macho zebras, yeah? The black, the white, and the brownish stripes.
is there any difference between the ones that are more camel color and the ones that are more white?
That are different.
They're different?
Yeah, it must be the stripes that they are different. Each zebra have its own stripes that are more
Oh.
different.
Yeah.
They like our fingerprints.
Oh, I know, but some of them are more camel colored. Some of them are more
Yeah,
brown.
yeah, yeah. Sometimes the age,
Oh, here's one peeing.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I got that.
Baby pink.
the one is more dark at the back there. The old one. So it's the 10 biggest antelope, yeah? Kudu. The mighty jumper one.
Yeah, that's not the same.
What they eat, it depends on the flowers, yeah? But it moves out.
They move around a lot for food.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, tusk, good tusk. Look at that.
They rely mostly on water for lots of reasons.
Yeah, go ahead, guys. Wow, look at that.
Oh, wow. Beautiful tusk.
Tusks, yeah.
Especially when it's hot, they eat around where there's water. They need water for their body temperature, and also they splash water all over their body just to keep the heat down.
Yeah.
Because they eat around a lot. They eat around a lot. They eat almost every day and night, and they rest for a few minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and then they deep sleep for another 10 to 15 minutes. They hardly sleep.
No, keep stop.
You can't get too much closer.
These people got here just in time.
Worth the wait.
We've been waiting for quite some
So these two birds might
Ooh, get nastier. Or maybe it's on there.
There's a hippo right there. He's just under the water. He just stuck his head up again.
That's what you saw.
Yes. And he just stuck his head up again. You can see the brown of his body there, I think. But he'll do it again. He did it twice already. He's going to do it again.
Have to see how long he holds his breath.
There he is. Wasn't that cool?
Here we are looking at 7 cats. 7 cat is beautiful cat. You can keep it as a house cat or domestic cat. But you must find a small one so you can teach instructions. They can follow instructions like a dog. So his name is Mafuta. 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 Fat. Sit down. The cats they want to see you. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Really.
Oh.
So his name is Mafuta. Mafuta is born here in the third costed. And this brother in the first camp, unfortunately, this mother passed away when Mafuta was 1 month old. Now it's 9 years old. So the 7 cats, they have big ears. The problem of Mafuta, they can grab my shoes and scratch me. Why you are playing? Mafuta.
Mafuta means fat.
Yes.
Guys, this is an African wild cat. It's only 84% African wild cat. The reason they only give it 84% is because he's not grown just for potential height. Normally they'll stand a little higher, around about that. The way we can see this is the African wild cat. If you look at his tail, he's got a solid black bar running up his tail and then rings around that bar. Cat is also very agile. He can jump between the trees. You can hear a bird coming over. He can jump anywhere between 3 to 4 meters in the air. So just to explain that this establishment was started in 1994, was started by the owner's mother. She had 3 cheetahs. She brought them into this area. It was an open area. There was a bench. You could come from the lodge if you were staying. You could sit with the cheetah, read a book, have some cheese and wine, and the cheetah would walk around you. When she passed, the owner and his wife, Mrs. Null, they decided to open it up as a project. It's a breeding program that we have here. So any of the cats that own these pens, they're tame cats that people don't want anymore, or they've come off the black market. So if they've come off the black market and they're very young, we have to bottle feed them. If they are anywhere over 67 months, we don't need to bottle feed them. Those cats will be released back into their natural environment. But as soon as we have to bottle feed a cat, it makes them tame, which makes them fearful of humans. And there's no ways we can then release them back into nature.